Episode 6. Sensitive Skin Solutions: Brazilian Waxing for Sensitive Skin. Welcome back to Brazilian Waxing Essentials. If you have sensitive skin, the thought of a Brazilian wax might feel a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're here to help. In today's episode, we're diving into everything you need to know about Brazilian waxing for sensitive skin. From preparation to aftercare, we've got you covered to ensure a smooth and comfortable experience. First, let's talk about what makes skin sensitive. Sensitive skin is more prone to irritation, redness, and discomfort, especially during procedures like waxing. But with the right approach, you can still enjoy the benefits of a Brazilian wax without the unwanted side effects. Preparation is key when it comes to waxing sensitive skin. Start by choosing a wax specifically designed for sensitive skin. It's usually formulated with soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. A few days before your appointment, avoid exfoliating and sun exposure to keep your skin calm. On the day of the wax, cleanse the area with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser. Not all waxes are created equal. For sensitive skin, opt for a hard wax instead of soft wax. Hard wax adheres to the hair rather than the skin, making it less irritating and more suitable for delicate areas. Your esthetician can help you choose the best option, so don't hesitate to ask for what you need. During the waxing process, your esthetician will take extra care to minimize discomfort. They might apply a numbing cream or a pre-wax oil to create a barrier between the wax and your skin. Remember, communication is key. If something feels too intense, let your esthetician know so they can adjust their technique. Aftercare is just as important as the waxing itself, especially for sensitive skin. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel immediately after the wax to reduce redness and irritation. For the next 24 hours, avoid hot showers, tight clothing, and anything that could cause friction or sweating. Gentle, fragrance-free moisturizers should become your best friend in the days following your wax. Even with the best preparation, sensitive skin might react to waxing. You may experience some redness, bumps, or mild irritation, which is normal and should subside within a day or two. If you notice any unusual or prolonged reactions, such as severe redness or swelling, it's important to consult with a dermatologist. And that's it, everything you need to know about Brazilian waxing for sensitive skin. With these tips, you can enjoy a smooth, hair-free result without the worry of irritation. In our next episode, we'll cover how to avoid and treat ingrown hairs after waxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.